Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic basic immunology. Most important definition in this immunology basic immune system cells, tissues, molecules that mediate resistance to infections. Okay, immunology study of structure and function of the immune system. इम्यून सिस्टम की स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन को स्टडी करना इम्यूनोलॉजी. Immunity, resistance of host to pathogen and their toxic effects. Immune response, collective and coordinated response to the introduction of foreign substance in an individual mediated by the cell molecule of the immune system. Immune response वो है कि immune system को कोई सी फॉरेन बॉडी अगर बॉडी में आती है तो उसका रिस्पॉन्स, उसका इंट्रोडक्शन सब इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स कराता है. किसको? इम्यून सिस्टम को. रोल ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम: डिफेंस अगेंस्ट माइक्रोब्स, डिफेंस अगेंस्ट ग्रोथ ऑफ ट्यूमर सेल्स, किल द ग्रोथ ऑफ ट्यूमर सेल्स, हेमोटाइसिस, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एबनॉर्मल और डेड सेल्स. एग्जाम्पल: डेड रेड वाइट blood cells, antigen antibody complex. Immune system organ, cells, molecules. Immune system first organs तो tonsil, adenoids, thymus, lymph nodes, spleen, pyrospatch, appendix, lymphatic vessels, bone marrow. Second one is cells: lymphocyte T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte, plasma cell, natural killer lymphocytes, monocytes, macrophages, granules, neutrophil, eosin, basophils. Third, immune system molecule: antibodies, complement, cytokines, interleukins, interferons. Two types of immunity: innate or acquired, non-adaptive or adaptive. Non-adaptive, first line of immune response relies on mechanism that exists before infection. Acquired, second line of response if innate fail, relies on the mechanism that adapt for after infection, handled by T and B lymphocytes. One cell determined, one antigen determined. Innate immunity, based on genetic makeup, released on already formed component. Repeat response within minute of infection. Okay, not specific. Same molecule, cells response range of pathogens. Has no memory. The same response after repeat exposure does not lead to clonal expression. Innate immunity mechanism: mechanical barrier is surface secretion. Okay, skin, acidic pH in stomach, cilia. Humoral mechanisms: lysosome, basic protein, complement interferons. Cellular defense mechanism: natural killer cells, neutrophils, macrophages, mast cells, and basophil and eosin. This is three types of mechanisms: barriers, humoral, cellular. Adaptive immunity, second line of response, the base upon resistance acquired during life, relied on genetic event and cellular growth. Response more slowly over few days, is a specific. Each cell responds to single antigen, has an anamnestic memory. Repeat exposure lead to faster, strong response, lead to clonal expression. Adaptive immunity, active and passive. The natural or artificial are types also. An active and passive immunity, the clinical, subclinical infection natural, and passive by breast milk and placenta are natural. Vaccination, live, kill, purify, antigen vaccine in artificial. Immune serum and immune cells, passive immunity, artificial. Adaptive immunity mechanism, the cell mediate immune response. T lymphocytes, eliminate intercellular microbes that survive within phagocytes or infected in place. Human immune response: HIR, B lymphocyte mediated by antibodies, eliminate extracellular microbe and their toxin. Plasma cells derived from B lymphocytes produce antibodies. जो ये सेल मीडिएट इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स है, मैं आपको इसको अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी.